channel. Today I will show you how to draw different hand gestures by breaking hand into simple shapes and draw basically any pose that you want. So let's get started. I will start sketching from the wrist. Now I will draw two slope lines of ½ inch and extend one line by ½ inch for the thumb and the other by 3/4 inch for the fingers. Join them with a smooth curve. This is a very basic hand pose. You can add fingers if you are comfortable. Let's move on to the next hand gesture. Again, we will draw two slope lines and extend the thumb by ½ inch. Now, here we will break the finger into two parts, each of 1/4 inch, and join it with a smooth curve and add the fingers. Moving on to the third one, I will follow the same technique, but this time break the finger into 3 parts and add the remaining finger. Now, let's make some gestures where the hand is resting on the waist. First, draw a basic outline of the hand and then divide it and add the fingers. You can observe your own hands and make the figures. So that's all for today. Here's a tip for you guys. While sketching, what I do is instead of searching for any reference image, I look at my own hands to understand the hand structure and draw accordingly. Hope this will also help you. For any queries or doubts, feel free to write in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.